Hi, I'm Matt Krebs, founder of Fresh Clothes Mobile Laundry. We made this video to help new customers understand the steps remaining to start your laundry service. If you're interested in a one-time express service, please let us know ASAP and we'll call you to fit you into our pickup schedule as soon as possible. If you're interested in a weekly laundry service, our software has automatically assigned you a pickup day. If that day doesn't work for you, please let us know and we can discuss alternatives. On your pickup day, set out your laundry in a trash bag like this one. We'll return it for express customers in a complimentary fresh clothes bag like this one. For weekly customers, we'll return your laundry in these custom reusable fresh clothes bags. After your first service, we will send you a reminder text the evening before your service to remind you to put your laundry out. If you don't have laundry or you're out of town, feel free to reply skip to those texts and we'll remove you from the route at no charge. Please note that if you don't reply skip but don't have laundry out, we'll attempt to contact you once from outside your pickup address. And if we can't reach you, we do charge a no-show fee. Please check our website for other frequently asked questions and feel free to reach out to us at any time by email or with a call. Thanks so much. We'll see you soon.